Practicing celibacy, sexual intimacy, and meditation is true religion. This is the science of Kundalini. Upon stimulation of the sexual organs, in order to perform coitus, semen multiplies. When it is not spilled, it is transmuted and it transforms us into gods. Only through sex magic can we cause the astral Christ to be born within us. Refraining from the desire makes the astral liquid or Kundalini rise toward the pineal gland. Thus, the Adam Christ, the Superman, is born within us. Transforming and reabsorbing reproductive fluid is necessary for physiological development and maturity. Supernormal powers are functions of the reproductive system. Reproductive fluid is used either to create the Kundalini energy or support it and to awaken it. Kundalini is a dormant, primordial spiritual life force coiled like a spring at the base of the spine in generative organs. When Kundalini is awakened, it gives the individual psychic esoteric powers like clairvoyance and telepathy. An awakened Kundalini also allows the person the ability to travel consciously in the astral plane. I'll have a video on that coming soon. Kundalini rises up the spine through the central canal until it reaches the eyebrows, then descends to the heart. What is the central canal? The central canal is the space that runs through the spinal cord. It is full of cerebral spinal fluid and is connected to the ventricular system of the brain. The central canal represents the adult remainder of the neural tube. The neural tube forms during the first month of pregnancy and eventually develops into the baby's central nervous system, brain, and spinal cord. It is one of the oldest tissues in the body, implying that it contains the memory of the person's entire life, including time spent in the womb. The neural tube is undifferentiated material. The central canal runs through the entire length of the spinal cord. It extends from the brainstem down to the lumbar, averaging about 45 centimeters in length, matching the spinal cord itself. As undifferentiated tissue, the central canal is undeveloped and functionless. The Biology of Success by Michael Simmons claims that puberty is a glandular event that activates the reproductive center in semen production. The seminal fluid from glandular puberty is then used for a second puberty of the central nervous system and brain. The Biology of Success also lists the substances in seminal fluid that include many immune chemicals, vitamins and minerals, creatine, albumin, and prostaglandin E2. When seminal fluid is retained, it is used to differentiate the neural tube along the central canal, connecting the reproductive system to the brain, giving the individual supernormal powers of awareness. Swami Vivekananda claims that when one is celibate for 12 years, a new nerve grows in the body, removing a veil from the mind. Sexual intimacy increases semen production, and celibacy allows the seminal fluid to transmute or differentiate the latent neural tissue along the spinal column into a new nerve, completing human development.